Welcome to today's lesson on screenshots. Now I'm going to show you two of my favorite ways of taking a screenshot. When you have to submit your work, for example, to Google Classroom or any other platform, you need to take a screenshot of the work that you've done. So the first way I'm going to show you is by using one of the buttons on the keyboard, which is on the right hand side. To the left of the number pad, you can see the arrows, and above the arrows right at the top you should see one that says print screen or PRT SCR. Okay, so if you tap that button once, that now copies the screenshot to the clipboard. Now after this, we're going to open up Microsoft Word, and we can right click our mouse and paste that screenshot. Now you can see this is the screenshot here, what we can see. Now again, this wouldn't be ready to submit because we need to crop the edges off and only show what we need to see. The text is far too small at the moment for anybody to mark. So we're going to click on Format. We're going to select our crop tool, and from there we can move the mouse, if you can see these thick black lines, to the areas that we want to submit. So for this example, for a database, we want to submit the database view. We click outside the box to accept the changes, and then we can stretch it further, and now we have something that's ready for marking. You can then save this Word document and then you submit it to your Google Classroom. Those of you that have Windows 10, the way I like to do it is by holding the Shift, Windows button and S down at the same time. Now I'll give you an idea. We hold down the Shift, Windows and S, and you'll see the screen change like so. Now with this, I have a lot of options, but what I like to do is click and highlight the area that you want to take a screenshot of, and you let go. And now it's already copied that to the clipboard. So if we go back to our Word document, we can right click and paste, and you can see it's already pasted the screenshot what I've cut there. Okay, just to show you again, I'm going to hold down the Shift, Windows and S button, tap them all together, and it appears like this. Everything is grayed out. Now if I just wanted to show the ribbon, for example, I can go to my Word document and paste, and you can see it pastes exactly what you've selected. Okay, that's your lesson on screenshots. Thank you.